Hey there, welcome to TrueHost Academy. Today we're going to walk you through how to install WordPress locally on your computer. This is a great way to test and develop your WordPress site before taking it live. So let's get started. First, you'll need local server software. For this tutorial, we'll use XAMPP. Head to the XAMPP website and download the installer for your operating system. Windows, click the latest version to download. Once downloaded, open the installer in the downloads and follow the prompts to install XAMPP. Click Yes to allow the installations. You will receive warnings and click OK to continue. Click Next to set up XAMPP. Make sure to select the components you need and click Next. Next, choose a folder to install XAMPP and click Next. The XAMPP control panel for Windows supports different languages. Select the language of your choice and click Next. The setup is ready to install. Click Next to start. After installation, open the XAMPP control panel. Start Apache and MySQL by clicking the Start buttons next to each service. This will set up your local server environment. Next, you'll need the WordPress files. Go to the WordPress.org website and download the latest version of WordPress. Once downloaded, extract the files from the zip archive. Move the extracted WordPress folder to the docs directory inside your XAMPP installation folder. You can rename the folder My Website or create a new folder and rename it to anything you like. For example, WP Site. Copy and paste WordPress to the new folder. Now let's set up a database for WordPress. Open your web browser and go to http://localhost/phpMyAdmin. Click on Databases, enter a name for your database, let's say DB1, and click Create. Open a new tab in your web browser and go to http localhost my website or whatever you named your WordPress folder. You'll see the WordPress setup screen. Select your language and click Continue. Click Let's Go. On the next screen, enter your database details. The database name you created, username, root, and leave the password field blank. Click Submit and then run the installation. Fill in your site title, username, password, and email address. Click Install WordPress and you're done. Log in with the credentials you just created and start exploring your new local WordPress site. And that's it. You've successfully installed WordPress locally on your computer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Do you have any questions or need further assistance? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.